This is the Customers section in Nastrum Books, your complete client database. For each customer, you can see their name, company, email, status, total revenue, and outstanding balance at a glance. You can search, filter, export, or import your entire list. Let's add a new customer from scratch by clicking New Customer. The New Customer form is a 5-step wizard: basic info, addresses, contacts, financial, and additional. First, select the customer type. Choose business for a company or individual for a person. Business customers show a business name field, while individual customers show separate first name and last name fields. Switching to individual changes the form instantly. You get first name, last name, and full name fields instead. The display name field on both types lets you set what appears on invoices. It defaults to the customer name, but you can customize it. Back to business. We're adding Costner LLC as our customer. Enter the business name, email address, website, and company name. The display name is auto-filled but can be changed. Email is required. This is where invoices and estimates will be sent. Click Continue to move to Step 2. Step 2 is addresses. Fill in the primary address, street, city, state, postcode, and country. Notice the 2 checkboxes below, same as primary for the billing address, and shipping same as billing. Tick these if the addresses match and the form autofills them. If your customer has a separate billing or delivery address, untick and fill them in separately. Click Continue. Step 3 is contacts. This is where you add additional people at the customer's organization, not just the main email address. Here we have Jonas, the accounts manager, with his direct email and phone. You can add as many contacts as needed using the Add Contact button. This is especially useful for larger clients where invoices go to accounts, but queries go to a project manager. Click Continue. Step 4 is financial, the most important tab for accounting. Set the customer's default currency. All invoices for this customer will use this currency by default. Payment terms and days. 30 means the customer has 30 days to pay from the invoice date. Credit limit. Set a maximum outstanding balance. Nastrum Books will warn you if you exceed it. And the tax or VAT number. This appears on invoices and is required for B2B transactions in many countries. Click Continue. Step 5 is additional. Add tags to group and filter customers. Here we have tagged this customer as repeat. Internal notes are private and never appear on invoices or documents. The attachments section lets you store important documents directly on the customer record, things like trade licenses, contracts, or signed agreements. Here we have uploaded the trade license for Costner LLC. Finally, set the status to active or inactive. Click Save to create the customer. Now let's fast forward to see how the customer profile looks after real activity. Costner LLC now shows NZ 015 in total revenue, NZ 89 outstanding balance, 3 invoices raised, and last invoice dated today. Every number here updates automatically as you do business with this customer, no manual updates needed. The Invoices tab now shows all 3 invoices at a glance. INV 0006 is sent and awaiting payment with NZ 89.80 due. INV 0005 and INV 0004 are both fully paid with 0 balance remaining. You can click any invoice to open it directly from here or filter by paid, pending, overdue, or draft. 15.74. Average days to pay is 30 days early. This customer pays ahead of schedule. On-time rate is 100%. Below is the full payment history with invoice references and a receipt link for each payment. This is everything you need to understand a customer's payment behavior. The Attachments tab still holds the trade license uploaded at setup. You can add more documents here at any time: contracts, credit application forms, KYC documents, all stored securely against this customer record and accessible to your whole team. The Activity tab is now a full timeline. You can see every event. Invoice INV 0006 created and sent, payments received on INV 0004 and INV 0005, and all earlier invoices. Every action is timestamped and attributed to the team member who did it. This is your complete audit trail, no spreadsheet required. Finally, click Statement to generate a professional account statement. It shows total charges of NZ 305, total payments received of NZ 015, and outstanding balance of NZ 89.80, highlighted in blue, so it is impossible to miss. Every transaction is listed in date order: invoices issued, payments received, running balance. Your bank details appear at the bottom. You can filter by date range, download as a PDF, or email it directly to the customer in one click. That is the complete customer module in Nastrum Books. From first contact to full account history, everything in one place.